Omni-Tree. As previously discussed, I think he's the only guy who can fix all these problems. What do you say, Waxy?
Yeah, I agree.
Christmas trees, do you feel it's fair justice? Okay. Waxy, can you be the mediator and go and get Teasel and forget me?
May everything be merry.
Mary. Yes, Mary.
I didn't mean
I'm not
to.
meant to talk to you.
What? But I didn't lie either. And I didn't do anything.
I'm really sorry this happened to you guys. Anyway. Waxy, are we ready to go?
No.
I'm
follow
permanently
you.
curved for you.
Yeah, Teasel, no one asked. Okay. Remember, we need to be respectful towards Omni-Tree, who's been here for literally ever. Okay, let's go.
I didn't do it.
Shut up, Teasel!
No more words from you.
Okay.
Hello.
See me? Omni? We have a problem.
Yes, baby.
This suspect curved me in my community.
I didn't.
Life.
And I didn't lie to you.
Stole my pollen and made me like I am. From that healthy tree to this droopy sad tree.
From what I've learnt for being here forever, I know that life is very fleeting. I've seen plants come up from the earth and die and go back into the earth. And it goes very quickly. Life is too short to be arguing about these small things. I still think you are beautiful, weird Christmas tree. And I think we should not prosecute those who we love for silly
Yay.
reasons.
I told you.
Christmas trees, would you feel happy to forgive and move on?
If she apologizes.
I apologise.
Waxy, do you feel like we can apologise and move on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to lie. And I actually didn't.
It's not
do
me
it.
who you should be apologising to.
Teasel,
Yes.
let's shake and apologise. Forgiven. Forget me now? I'm never telling you any gossip again.
No, but I love gossip. I love our weekly gossip.
Okay, well read Heat magazine then. It's got nothing to do with me. Waxy, thank you for your mediation. Christmas trees, I'm sorry that I couldn't hold a tighter grip on the community. Whoops,
Don't
sorry, it's
worry, we
community.
will still be covered in Christmas lights and baubles with a star on our top every December.
Brilliant. Okay, you guys shake.
I'm sorry.
Never talking again.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, Omni-Tree, you happy with that?
Now, in the wise words of Obama, #YOLO, let's party.
Hang on, you guys, can you hear that noise? No, oh my god! Omni-Tree!
Tree. You killed her.
So, how has this got anything to do with me?
You brought us here, and she wouldn't have been here if you hadn't killed her.
Well, you couldn't have curved my back permanently.
Yeah, but at least I didn't kill the forever tree.
I think Christmas tree's got something to say.
Just don't fight people. Please. The real Omni-Tree is difference that have been made along the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Fine.
Christmas trees are always merry.
Can we
That's
do
why
each
you
other
should
alone?
learn from them and not curve their backs.
I didn't mean to.
Stop.
Can we go home now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never would. I would like to see you again soon.
We'll think about it.
Okay. Bye.